Good morning, students. I think you all are fit and fine, studying at home, preparing for the test 4 examination. Hope we will meet soon in the school. Please, we are putting much effort to make this videos. So go through these videos, and wherever you are facing problem, if you will go through these videos, your problem will be solved. Okay, there are some question answers which we are going to do. This is the revision of our GK chapter. Now there are fill in the blanks. Okay, and bamboo teaches us to be, and what will be the answer, my dear? Bamboo teaches us to be flexible. What does bamboo teach us? Bamboo teaches to be flexible, because bamboo tree grows tall and sways with strong winds, but it bends and wind can't harm it. So it teaches us to be flexible. Next is word power play is associated with, and the word power play is associated with which game? Cricket. Power play word we usually use with the game of cricket. Okay, now I am showing you the picture of bamboo. See how bamboo tree sways itself, how it bends and the wind passes through it. Okay, and see how we can make different. It bends, that's why we are able to make this type of furniture with the bamboo woods, because it can bend, it is flexible. See, different, this wood bridge, this type of things can be made by bamboo. And this is the game of cricket pitch, where word power play is used. Now next question is, word checkmate is associated with which game? You know, it is associated with chess. Checkmate, stalemate. The length of small intestine in the human digestive system is 7 meters long. Whole digestive system digests the food, but there is small intestine. I will show you the picture of the intestine. First, see this is the board of chess. It is square shaped, it is having 64 squares in it, and it is having two colors, this playing balls, and it is 16 in numbers, and we play it. There are two teams, one of each. This is the picture of your intestine, and this inside, this is, my dear, small intestine, and that is 7 meter long. Now see, godmother turned Dash into a coach for Cinderella. And what did godmother turn? Godmother turned, wait, pumpkin into a coach for Cinderella. And Dash appeared when Aladdin rubbed his lamp. Who appeared? Genie. I am showing you the picture of, see, godmother turned this pumpkin into a coach. For whom? For Cinderella. Okay, and this is a coach. She made pumpkin a coach for Cinderella. And this is the picture of Genie, Aladdin and his lamp. When Aladdin was rubbing his lamp, Genie was appearing, and he used to ask Aladdin what is his wish, and whatever wish Aladdin used to say, Genie was fulfilling those wishes. This was the story of Aladdin and his lamp. Now next is, we get dash from silkworms to make clothes. And what do we get? Silk. Silkworm weaves silk thread on the cocoon, and we take that thread and make silk clothes. A person who gives sermon in a church is called a priest. A person who gives sermon in the church is, see, this is the silk fabric. Okay, this is the silk fabric, silk cloth, and this is the natural color of silk, my dear. After this color of silk is prepared, then it is dyed into different colors, and we get the, see, different color of silk. This is the person who gives sermon in the church, and he is called the priest. Now next question, a person who performs tricks in front of an audience is called a magician. A dash teaches us to aim high. And what teaches us to aim high? A mountain. It teaches us to aim high and be determined. Because it stands high and it teaches us to aim high. Okay. Now I am showing you the picture of a magician, Gilly Gilly Choo, and this ball will vanish away. Okay. And this is the picture of a mountain. See how it is standing with determination. So it teaches us to aim high and be determined. Next question is, festival increase dash among people. And what do festival increase? Closeness. Festival increases closeness among people, because when festival comes, people comes close to each other, because we meet our family members, neighbors, so we come very close to each other. It spreads, it increases closeness, it spreads love and affection. And what is the harvest festival of Punjab, my dear? The harvest festival of Punjab is Baisakhi. Which is the harvest festival of Punjab? It is Baisakhi. And when it is celebrated, Baisakhi is celebrated after the cutting of the crops. See, this is the festival of Baisakhi. How people are, this is the festival of this is the picture of festival, and how people are gathering at a place, coming close to each other, how they are wishing each other. And this is the festival of Baisakhi, after the cutting of the crops, how people are celebrating the festival. See, a dog is very loyal and faithful to his master. And very faithful to his master. And what does Diwali teach us? Diwali teaches us to light a lamp to remove what from your soul? To remove darkness. Okay, whatever is negativity, whatever is bad things inside us, we should remove. All the evil things, all the negativity are called darkness, and Diwali teaches us to remove those things from our soul. See, the loyal and faithful animal picture. And this is the picture showing Diwali. By this picture we can understand that this is because there is diyas, rangoli. A person who sets rhythmical movement to music is called a dancer. A person who writes books and stories is called an author. Okay. See a picture of a dancer, how flexible her body is. See here also. A dancer can move their body wherever they want. Their body is very flexible, and this is the picture of an author, and his name is Munshi Premchand. He was a very good author. He is no more now, but his books are liked by everyone. And all of you will do this, these fill in the blanks in very neat and clean handwriting. First, what you will write? HW and date, and then you will do in very neat and clean handwriting, my dear. Thank you very much. Thank you, children.